Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS and we are going to discuss book work and notebook work of chapter number 13, the plant kingdom. In the previous part of the video, we discussed about plants and its uses, and in today's part, we are going to discuss its book work and notebook work. In the previous part of the video, children, we discussed about plants that are around us. We have different kinds of plants around us, some grow on ground and some in water. Different parts of plants like trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creeper. Now then we studied about parts of a plant. We have different parts of a plant like roots, stem, leaf, fruit and flower. Now there are edible parts of a plant, that means the parts of a plant that we eat, and we studied that plants are very useful for us. We get different useful items from plants, and now we are going to do its book work. So open page number 6868. In this question we have to label and color the different parts of the plant. Help box is given to you children, we have to fill the blank. Okay, what is this? This is a leaf, so we will write leaf over here. Next, it is fruit, so we will write fruit over here. Okay, this is flower, so we will write flower over here. Next is, what is it called? This is called stem, so we will write stem over here. These are roots, so we will write roots over here. Now children, let's see these words on board. Okay. First is leaf, L will be capital, L-E-A-F, leaf. Number 2, fruit, F-R-U-I-T. Number 3, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. First letter will be capital children. Number 4, stem, S-T-E-M, stem. And number 5, roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. I hope you all are doing this book work with me in a beautiful handwriting. Now let's switch to next page. Page number 7070. Write stop for the pictures in which children are hurting plants. Now children, I told you plants are very useful for us. They give shelters to human, to animal. We should not hurt plants. Plants give us oxygen to breathe. So in this, children are hurting the plants. If the picture is wrong, we have to write stop over there. Let's see. Okay, what a boy is doing? Boy is scratching its trunk and he is writing something. So is it a good thing or bad thing? It's a bad thing. So we should stop this, we should not do this. So we will write stop over here. S-T-O-P, stop. Every letter will be bold. Next, now you can see this boy, what this boy is doing. He is plucking the leaf and throwing it on the ground. So this is wrong, we should stop this, we will write stop over here. This, he is watering the plant, it is a good habit, it is a good thing, so we will leave this as a blank. Now he is trimming the grass, he is cutting the grass, this is also a good habit, so we will leave this blank. Now this boy is breaking the branches of plants, you can see, so this is wrong, we will write stop over here. Okay children, I hope you have understood this question well. Now let's switch to next question, page number 7272. Question A, identify these plants. Now hint is given, statement is given and we have to identify the name of the plant. It has a thick and woody stem called trunk. Okay children, which plant has a thick and woody stem? That is called trunk. It is a big plant, and what is it called? It is called tree. So answer is tree. We will write tree over here. Number 2, it is a small plant that has a thin green stem. Now which plant has a thin green stem and it is a small plant, and this plant is used in our kitchen? We make dishes from this plant. It is called herb. So answer is herb over here. We will write herb over here. Number 3, it is a weak plant that has a long and thin stem which creeps on the ground. Now children, it's a weak plant that has a thin and weak and thin stem, and it creeps on the ground. It grows along the ground, and what is it called? It is called creeper. So we will write creeper over here. Question C, give 2 examples. Now children, here edible parts of the plant are given. We have to give example. We have to write the names that we eat. Now like number 1, roots. The roots that we eat, we have to write 2 examples. So we will write turnip and carrot. Number 2, stems. The stems that we eat are potato and ginger. We will write potato over here and we will write ginger over here. Number 3, leaves. Leaves that we eat are cabbage and mint. There are many more leaves that we consume, but here we have to write only 2. Fruits. Children, we eat different kinds of fruit. Again we have to write 2 fruits. Name of 2 fruits, apple and mango. We will write apple and mango. Now seeds. Seeds that we eat are rice and wheat. We will write rice over here and we will write wheat over here. Next question, what do the following plants give you? Now children, as I told you, plants are very useful for us and they provide us many things that are very useful. Let's see what plants give. Number 1, jute. Now from jute what we get? We get fiber. Next is bamboo. Okay, now from bamboo what we make? We make paper from bamboo. And where do we get bamboo? We get bamboo from bamboo plant. Next is tulsi. Okay children, how tulsi is useful for us? What we make from tulsi? We make medicines from tulsi. We will write medicines over here. Next, rubber. Now with what we make from rubbers? We make tires from rubber. So we will write tires over here. Next, rose. Children, what we make from rose? We make perfumes from rose. Coconut. With the help of coconut we can make oil. So we will write oil over here. Now children, let's see how to write these words. Question A. First, it has a thick and woody stem called trunk. Answer is tree. T will be capital T-R-E-E, tree. Number 2, it is a small plant that has a thin green stem. Answer is herb. H will be capital H-E-R-B, herb. Number 3, it is a weak plant that has a long and thin stem which creeps on the ground. Answer is creeper. C-R-E-E-P-E-R, creeper. Now number C, question number C. Write 2 examples. First, roots. Roots that we eat are turnip and carrot. T-U-R-N-I-P, turnip. T will be capital children, and carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. C will be capital. Number 2, stems. Potato and ginger. P will be capital P-O-T-A-T-O, and ginger G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger. Number 3, leaves that we eat, cabbage and mint. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. M-I-N-T, mint. C and M will be capital. Number 4, fruits. A-P-P-L-E, apple. MANGO, mango. And last number 5, seeds like RICE, rice, WHEAT, wheat. Here A and M will be capital, and in number 5 R and W will be capital. Now question number D. What do the following plants give you? Now here we have to write what the following plants give us. Number 1, from jute we make fiber. FIBRE, fiber. Number 2, from bamboo we make paper. PAPER. Number 3, from tulsi we make medicines. MEDICINES, medicines. Number 4, from rubber we make tires. TYRES, tires. Number 5, from rose we make perfumes. PERFUMES. Number 6, from coconut we make oil. OIL, oil. Children, I hope you have understood how to write these words, and you have done this work with me in a very beautiful handwriting. Now let's switch to next question. Okay. Fill in the crossword puzzle with the names of the given pictures. Now children, pictures are given over here and we have to identify and we have to write their names in the block. Like number 1A, where is the picture of number 1A? This. And which tree is this? It's a banyan tree. So we will write BANYAN in block 1A. Next is 2D. Where is picture 2D? 2D. Okay. What is this? This is a climber, and which plant picture is this? This is a grapevine. So in number 2D we will write grapevine over here. GRAPEVINE, grapevine. Now number 3A. Okay, it's a herb. We consume this. This is spinach. SPINACH, spinach. Now next is 4D. Okay, which flower is this? This is hibiscus. So we will write hibiscus over here. HIBISCUS. 5A. Okay, which tree is this? This is a pine tree. So we will write PINE, pine over here. This is pine and we will write in front of 5A PINE, pine. Now children, I hope you have understood this book work well and you have done with me in a beautiful handwriting. Now we are going to do notebook work. Chapter 13, The Plant Kingdom. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Name some plants that are used to make perfumes. Now children, we have to write name of some plants that are used to make perfume. Let's see the answer. Which plants are used to make perfume? Rose and jasmine plants are used to make perfume. Which plants are used to make perfume, children? Rose and jasmine plants. ROSE, rose. JASMINE, jasmine. Rose and jasmine plants are used to make perfumes. Question number 2. Name any 2 dishes made out of herbs. Now, as I told you, herbs are commonly used in our kitchen and we make dishes from herbs. Here we have to write name of 2 dishes that are used or made out of herbs. Answer is palak paneer and chutney. PALAK, palak. PANEER, paneer. P will be capital of palak, and chutney, CHUTNEY, chutney. C will be capital over here. Last question number 3. Write down 3 uses of plants. In this question children, we have to write 3 uses of plants. 3 uses of plants are: number 1, we get wood to make furniture. Now plants provide us wood, and from that wood we make furniture like chair, table, sofa. So we get wood to make furniture. Number 2, we get bamboo to make paper. Now from bamboo tree we get bamboo, and from bamboo we made paper. Number 3, we get medicines from plants. Now some plants like tulsi, neem and poppy, they help us to make medicines. So we get medicines from plants. Children, I hope you have understood book work and notebook work well. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.